Is that a camera? Oh my word. You guys made it. Thank you so much. My name is Andrew Manyika and I'm going to be taking you through the word of the day in a new program called Oh My Word. And the word of today is gravity, spelled Gravity. I chose that word because today I'm clearly at gravity's mercy. Gravity means the force that it pulls objects in space towards one another, and on the planet Earth, it pulls objects towards the center of the Earth. Today I'm hoping not to be one of those objects. A second meaning is the seriousness of a situation. As I can imagine, you can see it would be a very serious situation, or a situation with a very deep gravity if I were to fall to the ground. And that is the word of today. I'm Andrew Manyika and I'll see you soon.